Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of how to use the I/O module connected to the ECT slave module. Right-click Device and select Add Device. Select ECT Master and Add. Click ECT Master to select ECT slave and add. Click ECT00 to select the desired I/O module and add it. Each ECT00 is connected to a maximum of 8 I/O modules. If more than 8 I/O modules are connected, one ECT00 module needs to be added. Double-click ECT Master to configure the master station. Enter ETHE here. Select Automatic Restart Slave Station. Select Enable Export Control. You are advised not to select this parameter. Other parameters can be set as required. PDO parameters are determined by the configuration module and cannot be modified on this page. The process data of ECT slave station is selected by default. Do not change it, otherwise communication failure may occur. The startup parameters are the same and can only be modified on the module configuration page, where they cannot be changed. The configuration description of the analog module is shown in the figure. Only the configured parameters need to be written into value. Channel Default 16449 Voltage 0到10伏 4 channels 50赫兹。The channel address appears in the I/O map and can be read or written directly to or associated with variables. The configuration description of the analog module is shown in the figure. Only the configured parameters need to be written into value. The channel address appears in the I/O map. The configuration description of the temperature module is shown in the figure. Only the configured parameters need to be written into value. The digital input module can be configured with input filtering parameters. The default configuration is 6.4 毫秒. The module channel configuration control word can be found in the manual. You can also use the MaxiWorks PLC software configuration to obtain corresponding values and write them to CODESYS. about the introduction of how to use the I/O module connected to the ECT slave module. That's all. Thank you.